You know, there was a time not all that long ago when it was at a shop like this that people used to come for their hardware. Everything from horseshoes to simple hooks to door hinges to latches to plows to simple repairs. The blacksmith shop was more than just a horseshoer. He was a general purpose contractor who could make things out of iron and steel, an indispensable part of every community. While your blacksmith could make a hatchet for you, keep a razor edge on it, and if you needed, with his spoke shave and shaving horse, he could make you a new handle. He could even keep your saws sharp. I guess you could say your blacksmith was the original helpful hardware man. Okay, now we'll try something else that every blacksmith had to master, and that's welding. Forge welding is really pretty simple, and it's dramatic. It makes a lot of sparks. I'm going to take this little piece of square stock, and I'm going to make a simple welded chain link out of it. You'll see the whole process. All welding is getting the molecules in this bar fluid enough so that one hammer blow will drive them together. Step 1 involves hammering a little beveled shoulder on each end of your metal bar. This is going to be the area where the weld takes place. Next, you reheat your metal and start shaping your link over the horn of the anvil. First one end, and then the other, making a nice oval link shape, making sure that the two beveled shoulders overlap. To get a good bond with your weld, you need a good flux, and most blacksmiths use borax. I don't know how it works, so why don't we ask an expert?
Girls, 20 Mule Team Borax takes all the worry out of the biggest wash. It's a unique washing aid. There's no other product like it. Right. Used with your regular soap or detergent, it actually boosts cleansing action.
Right.
Cuts grease, floats out dirt.
Floats out dirt. That must be it. Thank you, Rosemary DeCamp. Now it's time to reheat our metal because we're coming up on the moment of truth, the hammer blow. Well, there it is. It ain't pretty, but it's strong.